Hi everyone, welcome to channel Degree of Freedom. This video is about why I'm creating this channel. So I completed my BTech from SRM University and joined as design engineer. And while in this field, I switched to field of CAE, and after spending somewhat more than 2 years in this field, I realized that there is need for some quality content to be made available to market in order to equip our mechanical engineers well, and came to know reasons why to develop this channel. There are three major reasons why I'm creating this channel. So the very first one is gap between CSE and mechanical engineering material availability, return on investment in BTech mechanical engineering, and third one is my own realization. Let's start with very first point, gap between CSE and mechanical engineers learning material availability. If you were to learn coding, then you have several paid platforms available to teach you, and also several channels on YouTube that offer very structured course platform which are good enough to teach you that particular code language. That is not the case with mechanical engineering student. You need to pay good enough fee to learn softwares like Ansys, Hypermesh, etc. Even paid courses on platform doesn't seems worth the amount they charge for the quality of course. Free platforms are there, but they don't teach you anything, and as far as my research goes, there isn't a single free platform that offers everything inside the course to provide enough skills to learners. Second reason is return on investment. I believe engineering institute should be incorporating these softwares which will help student to understand how SOM, TOM, FM equations are used and their significance and their uses. CSE student can perform their learned skills while sitting on a computer, which is very difficult for a mechanical engineer. Here, software gives you an edge to every mechanical engineer, which will help them understand their subject as close as CSE students do. If you are in BTech mechanical engineering, you can learn these softwares and understand the uses of these software much better, and your pay can be equal to that of CSE counterpart if you will provide your employer the same value, which can be done with skill being performed in your domain. Third is my own realization. After every year, I used to realize that whatever I was doing for past year, I could have learned this while I was in my engineering only, and would have been dealing with some serious stuff. And major reason that mechanical engineers are not being paid enough in the very start is because they hardly generate any relevant value to organization. But as soon as you complete a certain time in industry, your pay suddenly becomes equivalent to that of your CSE counterparts, which could have been done in engineering itself, paying some serious good package in your hand. With aim to improve quality of learning material availability on internet for free, I'll be dealing with some CAD and CAE software packages on my channel to help you understand them better and get you learn them for free. And also I will start with the beginners course first, moving on to complex industry problems. I hope to provide some quality content and also help you grow your career. In case you are a college student and have any doubt regarding your career, then you can contact me on my email provided in the description below. See you then guys. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.